in Richard and Nancy's kitchen with the Fat Chefs.
Today we're going to make crab salad. The ingredients you will need are lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, green onions, endives, fresh cilantro, basil, and mint, Del Campo's olive oil, garbanzo beans, avocado, blue cheese, Calabria peppers, and crab. We prefer fresh crab, but if it's out of season, we found canned is best. We never use frozen. We're going to use canned lump crab on this salad. First, baby romaine hearts. We cut them in half. Fresh basil, cilantro, and mint. Cut into a rough chop. Then set aside. You can slice your tomatoes or cut them into wedges. Don't cut the wedge all the way through so you can make a bowl. Slice the endives, then set aside. Chop your carrots. Take a half of avocado and scoop it out with a spoon. Slice the cucumbers. Then chop the green onions. Let's make the dressing. First we use extra virgin olive oil.
We mix in a vegetable oil. We like to use an avocado oil.
Red wine vinegar. We use a 60-40 mix. 60% vinegar and 40% oil.
You can mix to your own taste.
We add about a half a packet of Italian seasoning.
We use zesty Italian.
About a teaspoon of sambal.
You can also substitute dried chili flakes. Coarse ground black pepper.
Salt to taste.
Mix well.
And make sure you taste it. Time to assemble the salad. Start with your lettuce. Add the tomatoes, the avocado half, garbanzo beans, carrots, and cucumbers. Stuff the avocado with crab. Same with the tomato. Sprinkle on the fresh herbs. A little blue cheese dressing. This is optional. Then top with crumbled blue cheese. The Italian dressing, endives. I like to add more crab. Nancy likes to eat her salad lettuce wrap style. We take a romaine leaf, stuff it with crab, tomatoes, top with dressing, add a few fresh herbs, and eat it like a taco. It was good.
If you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. Just click on the subscribe button, then give it a like. Hit the bell icon to be notified of all our new videos. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.